Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I will be taking up a very challenging factorial product. It's a very challenging question involving factorials of factors and their product. Let us find out this question looks very simple, but it's very hard. If you go from the basics and proofs, it requires understanding of both beta and gamma functions and also gamma reflection formula. Gamma reflection formula. It's not as simple as the question. The answer is not as simple as the question looks. Factorial 1 by 3 into factorial 2 by 3 is equal to how much? This is what we are going to do. We are going to solve. It involves definition of beta function, definition of gamma function, and the relation between beta and gamma functions, and also the relation between gamma function and the factorial. In addition to that, gamma reflection formula is also required. That means at least 5 definitions of the functions is involved in this particular example. I will go one by one. I will not prove the theorems. In the next class or in the next lecture, I will go for proving the gamma reflection formula which I am going to use in this. And also I am going to establish the beta and gamma functions relation, and from that how we can get the gamma reflection function, and also how we can get the value of gamma 1 by 3 from there and factorials of 1 by 3. It's a very interesting, very important lecture on factorials. Please pay attention till the end so that you will understand the concepts. I will go by the definitions straightforward, because if you go on proving the each and every aspect, the lecture will be very long. I want to give a glimpse of this beta gamma functions utility, and also understanding of the gamma reflection formula, and understanding the relation between beta and gamma functions, and also to find the factorial 1 by 3 from there, and factorial 1 by 3 into factorial 2 by 3. What is its value? And kindly see till the end, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please hype this particular video so that many people will get benefited out of it, and will try to solve this. Let's go ahead. What is the question? Question is very simple. Factorial 1 by 3 into factorial 2 by 3 is equal to how much? That's all. Nothing more is given, but it's a complicated question. Let us try to solve it. Before solving, we should know certain things. Before solving this problem, we should have knowledge of certain things, which I will be elaborating. You take it on the face value, the rules or the mathematics, and we will prove them in the following classes, following lectures. A gamma function I have already defined in my previous lectures. Gamma function is gamma n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus x. It is the definition of the gamma function. X to the power of n minus 1 dx and gamma 1 is equal to 1. And another identity also we have proved in the previous classes. Please refer to them. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to gamma n. Now, what is the definition of and we can even say another relation also we have developed. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n it is not gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. That is equal to factorial n. This is also another important derivation we have done in the previous classes. Now, let us define the beta. Let beta function be defined as beta mn. Beta mn is equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx. This is the definition of the beta function. We have gamma function definition and beta function definition, and this another definition is also there for beta function. Beta mn is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 to the power of 2m minus 1 theta into cos 2n minus 1 theta d theta. These are all definitions, universal definitions. You can change theta be alpha, you can change m as p, n as q, that's up to you. X as y, these are all variables. These are all universal definitions using the x, m and n. This is how these two functions are defined. Now, the most important proof from above 2 is beta mn is equal to gamma n into gamma n by gamma m plus n. Another important relation between beta and gamma. Instead of m you use p, q, a, b, x, y, that is up to you. There is nothing is going to stop you. These are all arbitrary numbers. Don't worry for the name of the variable, whether it is m or whether it is x or whether it is y or whether it is n. The usual notation will have this. Now, what is the relation between this factorial 1 by 3 and these? Between beta, gamma? The most important formula from this is gamma we have already discussed in our various classes. Please refer to those lectures regarding gamma. Now, Now, I will give one relation which we will be proving it. In the next class, we will not take up the proofs here as I told you earlier. Please remember this formula. From this, what we get is beta m, and let n be m minus 1. What it will be? Beta m minus 1 is equal to gamma m into gamma m minus 1 whole divided by gamma m plus m minus 1, or let us say beta m and 1 minus m. If we take, what happens? Gamma m, gamma 1 minus m, gamma m plus 1 minus m, that is equal to gamma m into gamma 1 minus m divided by gamma 1. This is the gamma reflection formula. Please try to understand. Here we are developing the gamma reflection formula. I am not going into the proofs of anything. We will be taking up the advanced proofs in the following classes. Beta m 1 minus m is equal to, what is the value of gamma 1? Gamma 1 is nothing but 1. So, beta m 1 minus m is equal to, denominator becomes unity, gamma m into gamma 1 minus m. This is the gamma reflection formula. Gamma m into gamma 1 minus m is equal to beta m 1 minus m. Then in what way it is going to help us? What is factorial 1 by 3? You tell me. What is factorial 1 by 3? From gamma functions. Gamma 1 by 3 plus 1. That is equal to gamma 4 by 3. What is a factorial 2 by 3? That is gamma, because factorial n is equal to gamma n plus 1. Please remember this. Gamma 2 by 3 plus 1, that is gamma 5 by 3. Then factorial 1 by 3 into factorial 2 by 3. We are keeping those basics whatever we have discussed previously, those definitions and basics in our mind. We are trying to calculate here. Factorial 1 by 3 into factorial 2 by 3, what it will be? Gamma 4 by 3 into gamma 5 by 3. What is gamma 4 by 3? One by 3 into gamma 1 by 3. Please see my definition previously. What is gamma 5 by 3? That is 2 by 3 into gamma 2 by 3 from the definitions above. Now, because gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. Gamma 4 by 3 is nothing but gamma 1 by 3 plus 1. That is 1. N is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into gamma 1 by 3. 2 by 3 into gamma 2 by 3. These two values. From the definitions which we have given already. Now, ultimately our aim is to find out this value. Now, this value will be 1 by 3 factorial into 2 by 3 factorial is equal to 2 by 9 into gamma 1 by 3 into gamma 2 by 3. This is nothing but gamma reflection formula. That means gamma m into gamma 1 minus m. Let us say m is equal to 1 by 3. Let m is equal to 1 by 3. That implies the given problem value is equal to 2 by 9 into gamma 1 by 3 into gamma 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 3. Then gamma m into gamma 1 minus m is equal to beta m 1 minus m. That is equal to beta m is 1 by 3 and 1 minus 1 by 3. This is nothing but 2 by 9, we should not forget. 2 by 9 into beta 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now, from the definitions, what is the value of beta 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3? There is one formula which I am not going to prove, it will be very lengthy. This particular lecture will be very lengthy if I try to prove all this. There is one formula from standard formula from beta values. Beta m 1 minus m is equal to pi by sin pi m. This is a very important formula. All these formulas we will be deriving and proving in the following classes. Beta and gamma functions are very interesting and very important in mathematics. Now here is m is equal to 1 by 3 in the given problem. If m is equal to 1 by 3, then 1 by 3 factorial into 2 by 3 factorial is equal to 2 by 9 into beta 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to pi by sin pi into 1 by 3. Sin pi by 3. That is equal to pi divided by sin pi by 3. What is the value of sin pi by 3? Root 3 by 2. It is 2 by 9, we should not forget. Sorry. That implies 1 by 3 factorial into 2 by 3 factorial is equal to 2 by 9 into pi divided by root 3 by 2. This is nothing but 4 pi by 9 root 3. That means our answer is 1 by 3 factorial into 2 by 3 factorial is equal to 4 pi by 9 root 3. As a homework, please try to attempt the proofs for the formula I have given. What are the formula we have used? Gamma definition, gamma beta definitions we have used. We have used beta gamma relation. We have used gamma reflection formula. And we have used the gamma, rather beta m1 minus 1 formula for fractional factorials. And we got the answer 1 by 3 factorial is equal into 2 by 3 factorial is equal to 4 pi by 9 root 3. Please try to understand the concepts here. They are very good concepts as far as beta gamma are concerned. And gamma 1 value we have taken it as 1. That is also very important. And we have defined the beta gamma functions and we have got the value. With this, I want to conclude this lecture. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. It's a very good example, very challenging question. Try to understand the concepts. On the basis of this, we are going to prove the beta gamma relation. We are going to prove the definitions of beta gamma, and also we are going to prove the beta gamma reflection formula, which we have used here. We have straightforward used the formula that beta m 1 minus m is equal to pi by sin pi m. How we have got this? Let us try to see in the next class. What we have got? Beta m 1 minus m is equal to pi by sin pi m. How we have got this? It's a very important relation. How we have got it? Let us see in the. We can connect beta from here, and with the relation of gamma and beta, we go back to gamma, and from gamma we go back to factorial. Very nice example. And thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. Best of luck to everybody. If you feel there is a value addition because of this lecture to you, kindly share, subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. And also please hype this video. If you feel it has to reach more number of people, kindly hype this video. Thank you for listening to me. Best of luck to everybody.